welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you an extremely effective and natural hair growth serum that you can easily make at home. If you've been struggling with hair fall or thinning hair, then keep watching because this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive right into it. This DIY serum is specially designed for thick hair growth. Yes, you heard that right. If your hair is thinning or falling out rapidly, this can help you regain your confidence and bring your hair back to life. It's an amazing, potent hair serum made using powerful natural ingredients that are known for their hair-nourishing properties. What's even more exciting is that it can start showing results within just 1 to 2 uses, especially in reducing hair fall. But let me also give a quick heads up. This is a very strong formula. It's packed with highly effective ingredients, so it's not recommended for kids. It's best for adults who are dealing with hair fall, bald patches, or slow hair growth. The hero of our recipe today is kalonji, also known as black cumin or Nigella sativa. This tiny seed is a powerhouse of goodness. Kalonji is rich in antioxidants, which help in protecting your scalp from free radical damage. But that's not all. It also has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can soothe your scalp, fight off infections, and support a healthy environment for your hair to grow. These qualities make it one of the best natural oils for hair care. It's been traditionally used to reverse hair damage, boost hair regrowth, and nourish the scalp deeply. Let's now prepare our kalonji extract. Take 1 tablespoon of kalonji seeds and put them into a small saucepan. Next, add 1 cup of water into the same saucepan. Now put it on low flame. This is very important. Don't use high heat because we don't want to burn the seeds or destroy their nutrients. As it starts heating, make sure to keep stirring it gently with a spoon. This helps release all the beneficial compounds from the seeds into the water. Let it simmer slowly and keep a close watch. We need to reduce it down until the water left is about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Once it's reduced to that level, go ahead and switch off the flame. Allow it to cool for a couple of minutes. Now take a fine strainer and strain the liquid into a clean cup. This is your kalonji extract, rich, concentrated, and full of hair-loving properties. Next up, we're going to add aloe vera gel, about 1 tablespoon. Aloe vera is another wonderful ingredient for hair. It's known to promote hair growth, protect hair from UV radiation damage, and soothe an itchy or irritated scalp. It's also full of fatty acids, amino acids, and essential vitamins like A, B12, C, and E, all of which play an important role in maintaining healthy hair follicles and supporting strong, shiny hair. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of rose water. This not only gives a refreshing fragrance to the serum, but it also has some powerful benefits. Rose water soothes the scalp, helps to get rid of dandruff, and improves the overall health of your hair. It has a cooling effect and makes your scalp feel fresh and balanced. Now comes one of my personal favorites, rosemary essential oil. This oil is a game changer in natural hair care. Add about 8 to 10 drops of rosemary oil to your mixture. It has anti-inflammatory properties, promotes nerve growth, and improves blood circulation in the scalp, which means more nutrients are delivered to your hair follicles. And yes, it's scientifically known to help reduce hair loss and even support new hair growth. Now it's time to bring everything together. Take the Kalonji extract we made earlier and slowly start pouring it into your mixing bowl where we've already added aloe vera gel, rose water, and rosemary oil. Mix it really well. Do this slowly and patiently so that all the ingredients combine evenly. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, go ahead and pour the serum into a clean bottle. Make sure it's a bottle with a dropper or a nozzle for easy application. Now let me show you how to use this serum effectively for best results. After shampooing your hair, when your hair is still wet, take a few drops of the serum into your palm and gently apply it directly to your scalp. Don't rinse it off. Just leave it in your hair and let it work its magic. You can keep it in your hair for 1 to 2 days without any issue. The next time before shampooing, apply a little oil to your scalp. Don't massage it too hard. Just gently apply the oil to coat your scalp. Then wash your hair using a mild shampoo, something sulfate-free and gentle. Once your hair is clean and wet again, reapply the serum just like before. If you do this regularly, you'll start seeing visible improvement in hair fall, and your hair will begin to feel healthier, thicker, and more nourished over time. So that's it for today's video. I hope you give this DIY serum a try. It's natural, cost-effective, and incredibly powerful. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.